Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will create a background animation using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We won't use any JavaScript libraries for it. Let's dive into how it works. The main section contains a canvas for the animated background. This div will hold multiple span elements as animated particles. Let's move on to the CSS. First, I import Google Fonts. I prefer Concert 1 font for the title. CSS is used to style the background, the title, and the animated circles. First, we reset all margins and padding. The body background is set to a dark color, helping the circles and text stand out. Setting overflow to hidden provides any circles going outside the viewport will not be shown. For the canvas, we make it full screen and position it behind everything with Z-index. Each circle is about 35 pixels wide with a bit of opacity. Now we give each circle a different color. Here we'll create particles that move around the screen. First, we select the circle's container and create two variables, particles and num_particles. We can set the speed of the animation with it. A span element represents each particle and has position, size, and speed properties. In the constructor, we set random positions on the screen for each particle and calculate its size and speed. We use these to set the position of each particle on the screen by adjusting its left and top CSS properties based on the particle's current X and Y coordinates. Then we update the span position based on these values. In the update method, each particle's X and Y values are updated based on speed. If a particle reaches the edge, it reverses direction. This function creates a new span element, attaches it to the circle's container, and returns it. We then pass this element to each particle object. In the init function, we use a loop to create and add each particle to the particles array. Each particle has a random speed, so the animation looks more dynamic. This creates a new particle object with its position and speed and adds it to the particle array to be animated. This function updates each particle's position and then requests the browser to call it again with requestAnimationFrame function. So it creates an endless loop that keeps the particles moving on the screen. When the window resizes, each particle's X and Y are reset to a random position, so the animation adjusts to the new window size. And that's it! We have a background animation created without any libraries. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tutorials. Thanks for watching.